Online classes have been filled my days since 80 days ago. My name is Lika Go, Indonesian student of advertising program. And this is a peak of my life as a student during MCO. I usually have 2 classes per day, so I start to study in B1 building at 12 a.m. I prefer to study there instead of my dorm room because I feel more concentrated and focused to watch my class videos and doing my assignments. To charge my day after a long day facing laptop screens, I usually go to the gym. One of the disadvantages of online class is that my body doesn't have to make a lot of movement like it used to be. So, in order for me to stay healthy, go to the gym every day is one of the ways to do it. Thank God our university still opened the gym for us. Spending 1 hour in the gym helped me to boost my energy and maintain my body weight. Right after the gym, I go to the canteen to buy fruit in order to fulfill my daily vitamin intake. Yes, as you can see, I'm trying to keep my daily routine as healthy as possible because if I take care of my physical health, the chance for me to get stressed during this pandemic will be low. And that's a peak of my life as a student during MCO.